Vada pav. Vada pav. Hi, hello, namaste, namaskaram, vanakkam. This is Gayatri and you're watching me on Vada Pav Sambar channel. So today's video is about how to deal with the emotions, how to have that balance with your own emotions. Before this corona situation, we were going out, we used to meet people, we used to meet our friends, family members, and we used to share our thoughts, our feelings. But because of this corona, it so happened that many people are stuck at places and they cannot go and talk to people face to face. Of course, now also if you feel the desire, or if you are going through very low kind of phase, or if you feel that you want to share something, then please speak up. Just take the phone, just call and speak up. Having said this, I feel that at any point of time we should have control on our own emotions and we should learn how to deal with our own emotions. So this video is basically about how I deal with my own emotions. This video might make people think that, oh, what, Gayatri has gone mad. This video might even make people judge me. This video might make few people laugh. This video might be helpful for few people, I don't know, but this is what I am. So let's get into the video. First emotion, when you feel extremely sad, when you feel that things are not working out in your way, when you feel very low, that time what I do is that I grab my phone and I switch on the camera, put it in a selfie mode, and I make all the weird possible faces. And once I have done with making all the faces, I go to gallery and see all my own images of these weird faces, and that's it. That brings smile on my face. So when you're also making these faces, make as many weird faces as you can, and I'm definitely sure that your own face will bring a smile on your face. So try this whenever you go through a low kind of phase. Second, when you feel super frustrated, that frustration can be on any person, that frustration can be on anything which you are working on, or that can be on the code which you are trying to solve but it's not getting solved. So what you should do is you should grab any cloth of your choice. That can be a t-shirt, dupatta, towel, but make sure that the cloth can be crumbled easily. And see, here I have my t-shirt, and what I'll do is that I grabbed it, then just crumble it with all the energy you have, just fully crumble as much as you want it, and show all your anger on this, and then see, your frustration will just go like that, or because all your energy is now being utilized in crumbling this. You can do this with even a piece of tissue paper, because this can be even more easily crumbled. Then you can do this with the tomato, just squeeze it hard. But when you are doing it with tomato, make sure that your mom is not watching you, otherwise that will cause frustration to her, which is not our intention, definitely. What I also do, one more thing, is that I just go in front of the wall and I start talking like once I am done like that, it's like I'm scolding something, or I'm scolding my own code, or I'm scolding that person. And once I'm done with that, then I feel like, fine, I'm out of it now. And that works. The third emotion is when you feel a sense of achievement, when you feel that, wow, man, I did it. So what you should do, or what I do, is that I do this. Again. So this is a way of appreciating all the efforts which I had put. It's appreciating myself, the hard work I have in my time invested in the task, and finally when I get to see the results which were so positive, that's kind of pat on my back, and this works for me. The fourth emotion when you feel very depressed, when you feel like you don't want to do anything, you feel lethargic, you have that negative feeling, vibes, what I do is that I make some weird sound like this one. I don't even know if I'm going to upload this video, but yeah, this is what I do. It. I don't know whether there is some magic in this sound or something, but once I am done making the sound, I immediately feel so much positive and energized, you know. It's like, okay, motivating myself. I think there's something to do with the vibrations in that sound. You can also try making some weird sound, and you know, a sound which kind of gives you motivation, which kind of says to you that, man, you should get up, you should do work. The fifth and the most important one is when you feel extremely happy, when you feel excited about life, and you feel so energized, what you should do is you should dance. Dance as if no one is watching you, dance freely, and this time you're not going to put the music on player, but you're going to sing as well as dance. And don't bother about lyrics. Any lyrics, right, wrong, ganda, bura, but just sing. You need not to be a dancer to dance, you need not be a singer to sing. Just dance. So, arara nakumuka 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 arara nakumuka 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 very sona re ante Amalapuram ante Ahapuram E ante Ichapuram ilagoti lagutar Andhra janam. One more Hindi song. It's the time to disco. Kaun mile dekho kisko. It's the time to disco. And the dance will double your happiness. Trust me, guys. You feel so positive after you dance. So these are the things which I do to deal with the emotions which I go through. These things are the things which work for me, and I hope these things work for you also. I'm still not sure when I'm going to upload this video, whether I'll upload it or not, but I thought I should record it and I should post it sometime, but let's see when I'll do it. So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope this video was little helpful, if not all the 5 aspects of emotion, but maybe 1 or 2 at least. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Vada Pav Samba channel. You can also follow me on Instagram. I'm on Instagram with my name as Gayatri Kannala. I'll come up with a new video very soon, and until then, stay healthy, stay happy and stay positive. Bye bye.